Welcome back. Today, we dive into the basics of incident response. This is vital for anyone in cybersecurity or just starting out. What is incident response? This process involves identifying, managing, and neutralizing security breaches or cyber attacks. It aims to minimize damage, cut costs, and speed up recovery. First up, preparation. You need an incident response plan, a dedicated team, and regular drills. Next, identification. Here you detect if a security event is truly an incident. Logs and monitoring tools are key for spotting unusual activity. Imagine an employee receives a fishy email to update their login details via a suspicious link. The IT finds unusual activity and identifies it as a phishing scam. Once you confirm an incident, isolate the systems impacted to stop the attack. The extent of isolation can be short or long-term. For the phishing scam, the IT swiftly cut off the affected account and up their email security to prevent further issues. Then we eradicate, remove the malware, seal vulnerabilities, and update your systems. Post-attack. IT clears any malware left and security against future threats. Recovery involves getting systems back to normal and ensuring they are secure. The affected employee gets new login creds and additional phishing recognition training. IT ensures no data was stolen. Finally, review the incident to learn and adapt. It's all about improving your response for next time. Post-review, IT boosts defenses by adopting multi-factor authentication and more employee training. And there you have it, a quick rundown of the incident response process. Remember, preparation is key. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips.